moving on to more breaking news coming in. Kedarnath-bound chopper that made an emergency landing on a road. DGCA has now put out details of it. Now the statement reads, and I quote, as per initial inputs, shortly after takeoff from the helipad, the pilot reported a suspected issue with the collective control getting stuck. In response, he executed a controlled forced landing on the road near the helipad. All passengers are safe and unharmed. The pilot has been taken to hospital for evaluation due to complaints of backache. Let me cut across to Ankit Sharma joining us live with further details and this latest statement by the DGCA on what had happened. Ankit.
Well, this is a very shocking incident which which we all witnessed today in Kedarnath when the helicopter took off at 12:30 p.m. and near the Bhadasu helipad, the pilot lost the control due to the malfunctioning of collective control, and due to his immediate response, he landed. He ensured that hard landing would save the passengers, and he did that actually. And on the national highway, the helicopter was emergency landed and passengers escaped unharmed. This is the good news coming in from Kedarnath so far. However, this is the fourth accident so far in the whole Char Dham season, and it is mere 1 month since the Char Dham Yatra began. Now the DGCA has also been roped in to oversee the accident and investigate into the matter that why the accidents are happening regularly. There is a specific board which is called Aircraft Accident Investigation Board, which takes care of the investigations of all the aircraft accidents, especially the helicopter and the light aircraft accidents, and they are also being roped into the incident to investigate further. This accident happened on the highway, and luckily the traffic was also moving, but no one was near the helipad and no one came under the impact of the helipad accident. That is the good news so far. However, the buildings and the car which were parked near the accident area were also damaged by the wings. The helicopter has also suffered damages on its rear and the tail part. The tail rotor has also been broken. Now the investigations are on, and further details will come after the probe is finished.
All right, Ankit, thank you for getting us those details.